updates, and quick household makeovers. Lifestyle and design expert Kelly Edwards is here to share her latest tips and tricks to get the home in order. Hi, Kelly.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. Yes, absolutely. And let's start in the laundry room. One place I want to start is with the washer and dryer from LG. They have a fantastic smart front load washer and dryer with built-in intelligence. Absolutely amazing. Slim design will look great in any laundry room. It uses artificial intelligence, so actually sense your load size, fabric, and level of soiling. It has a smart pairing feature, so it'll actually recommend your dry cycle based on your wash cycle. The washing machine has a Turbo 360 technology, so you can do your loads in less than 29 minutes. It also has a cold wash technology, so it uses cold water and enhanced washing methods to really penetrate deep into the fabrics. And then the dryer actually generates steam. So it has a turbo steam technology, which gets rid of wrinkles and odors. So it's super handy. Now, on the flip side of that, LG also has their Styler steam closet. Now, this is really cool because it sanitizes, deodorizes, and dries clothing and household items. Basically, toss it in. The powerful chemical-free True Steam technology and the moving hanger system does the rest. It reduces allergens and odors while still refreshing things like clothing, stuffed animals, home textiles, sportswear, you name it. Plug and go design. You can use it anywhere around your house, so it's super convenient, slim, intuitive, and a simple setup. Love LG. Now, on the flip side of that, we obviously need to talk about detergent. And one of the things that you can do to save the environment and the planet is with detergent strips. So True Earth is amazing. It is an eco-friendly bunch of cleaning power. It includes a heavy-duty formula, so it basically removes that oil, grease, blood, smoke, all that from clothes. They are really committed to preventing all of the plastic packaging from going into our landfills and waterways, and also has compact packaging for your laundry room as well. So if you're interested in this product, you could go to true.earth for more information. And of course, last but not least, I always love to save money. One way you can do that is with PayPal this holiday season. You can save, earn, and pay later. They have their PayPal Honey mobile and desktop extension. Automatically discovers these coupons for you, applies them at checkout, and you get cash back on eligible offers. So this is great. It also has flexibility on home and seasonal purchases, so you can go with pay later with PayPal, which allows you to actually spread out the payments over time, weeks or months, whatever works best for your Instagram.
Thanks for joining us, Kelly.
Thanks for having me.